those people that are coming online shouting, calling Ghanaians names. Now, when our people, they do this too.
So since 2014, we get case for court. Our people, Edo Arts and Cultural Heritage Institute, carry the Igbos where they stay, Benin, carry them go court. Because of, say, 2014, they decide they be want to install as the Igbo for Benin, as the Igbo of Edo State, as the Igbo of Benin. I say, no, why? You know they happen because you creating another king inside another kingdom. You bless another king content inside Benin again. Now only one king now we get. That is the Oba of Benin. Yeah. Every other one is counterfeit.
What kind of people are this? Even your people, they reject you. What should we call you? They reject you guys everywhere. So this thing is not all about Nigerians, so because even the Nigerians are rejecting Igbo people. Why? Why? But yet you will be calling yourself good people. We are this, we are the most peaceful people. It usually vexes me, the fact that they are using Pan-Africanism to claim ownership and rights in Ghana. Hey, I wanna stop that kind of thing. No, I wanna stop them, okay? Stop making people feel as if they are not doing the right thing. By the time you finish watching this video, you will know that waiting Ghanaians, they do not the right thing.
Anybody resident in Benin to bear that title, Eze Igbo of Benin or Eze Igbo of Edo State, was tantamount to diluting the supremacy of the title of Oba of Benin.
I want to also commend Justice Erabo for following the law due process. We started this case about 12 years ago, 2014.
There's a law guiding how chieftaincy and chief related issues are done in Edo State, as it were. And that law must be adhered to. That's why we have sanity and tranquility in Edo.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. If Nigerians themselves are rejecting the title Eze Igbo, then who is this fake Igbo king to come to Ghana and want to call himself a king and also want to build a kingdom in Ghana? Guys, I come with another video. This time around is Benin people of Nigeria that are rejecting the Igbo kingship in their land, but yet Nigerians who come online fighting and calling Ghanaians names for stopping them from allowing their Igbo brother to build a kingdom and also calling himself a king in Ghana. He started calling himself king of Nigerians. From there he changed to king of diaspora. From there he also changed to chief. We don't know which name, like which title he's calling himself right now. But then guys, that's a question I want to ask, and the question is, Ghana na your country, especially Igbo people. Ghana na your country. Now, would love to dominate. So this question is for you. Is Ghana your country? So why? You can do that in Nigeria. Of course, you cannot do it because right now, Benin people are sacking you. And guys, you'll be shocked of the outcome of this because the case went to court. According to them, that the case was there for, I think, since 2014. And now they wrap everything. See, you'll be shocked to know the outcome of this issue. And I know after watching this video, you will carry hand for Ghanaians because they've really tried. And hey, when I watched this video, I said, hey, Ghana, una they good though. I'm just imagining if this is in Nigeria, like Nigerians are Ghanaians. The way they will carry this matter, nobody go drink water, keep cup freely. I'm telling you. These Nigerians, I don't even know what to say, but seriously, by the time you finish watching this video, you will know that waiting Ghanaians, they do not the right thing. Yes. Well then, guys, let's get right into this video. You and I will understand this better. Let's watch, and I'll be right back.
Truthfully, I don't understand this country. Everything, everybody, they drag. Today, you go see, say, Yoruba, they drag Adam. Tomorrow, you go see, say, Igbo one become Eze Igbo for Benin. So, since 2014, we get case for court. Our people, Edo Arts and Cultural Heritage Institute, carry the Igbos where they stay, Benin, carry them go court. Because of, say, 2014, they decide they want to install Eze Igbo for Benin. Eze Igbo of Edo State. Eze Igbo of Benin. I say, no, why? You know they happen because you creating another king inside another kingdom. You bless another king content inside Benin again. Now only one king now we get. That is the Oba of Benin. Yeah. Every other one is counterfeit. We are just Oba of Benin now we get for Benin. Now they carry them go court since 2014. Now the case stay they court. Yesterday, we won yesterday. They can't rule against them. Say, which kind of nonsense thing be this? Georgie Rabo say, which kind of nonsense? How you come person land? You say you want to become king for person land? That they strike the case. More listen to Barrister Abayiwana. Waiting talk about the case. Let's listen.
For anybody resident in Benin to bear that title, Eze Igbo of Benin or Eze Igbo of Edo State, was tantamount to diluting the supremacy of the title of Oba of Benin.
I want to also commend Justice Erabo for following the law, due process. We started this case about 12 years ago, 2014.
There's a law guiding how chieftaincy and chief related issues are done in Edo State, as it were. And that law must be adhered to. That's why we have sanity and tranquility in Edo State.
Wahonia. So we won yesterday. To our dear visitors, where they come, they stay with us. We take una as our own. We give una our market. We give una every place. Una also come our land. We want to become king for our land. If you go New Benin market now, almost 40% of the trade there, they be Igbos. If you go where they call Lagos Street now, Hausa, Yoruba, night food there, area the same thing. We welcome you. Edo State is a place where we welcome everybody. In fact, everybody is. It be like home for all of us. If I go greet, if Salah did now all those malas were there, so never even go back house for the past 20 years. They did there because it is home for them already. You know, see, come person now, they won't come become king for person now. This kind of attitude is not good. This kind of behavior is not good. Congratulations to us. And thank you to Edo Arts and Cultural Heritage Institute. God and our ancestors will bless you people. Imagine, since 2014, now this case stayed there court. But at last, we won. We won. Omonoba talk by he said, this kind of attitude won't stop. I know they like him. It's not good now. I don't know the you say, come follow me, chop. You chop. You want chop everything with the person body. This kind of thing won't stop. It's not nice. So guys, we won though. We don't win this one. More to come. We're not trying next time because not everything be joke. There are some things you don't play with. In Benin, we have just one king, which is the Omonoba Nedo. Omonoba Nedo Kwakpolokpolo Baewa the second. He's the only king. No one. You know if you come our land, you won't come become king. Where we get king. Benin is where king is truly king. Benin not be where God. Anyways, this is just to tell all of you we won. And thanks be to God and our ancestors. Mama talk where he said, thank you guys.
Well, guys, I believe this video have given you an answer. So please go deal with it with your own people in Nigeria and leave Ghana alone. And a quick reminder, Ghana is for Ghanaians, not Nigerians, okay? Ghana is not for Nigerians, of course.
So, message to all these Nigerians who leave Nigeria, enter Ghana, and turn themselves to Ghana bloggers. Begin to discredit their own country. Begin to praise Ghana. How far? Hope your life done better. You run leave Nigeria, enter Ghana, begin to discredit, they talk bad, they talk down on your country. Even if your country is truly bad, you they talk down on your country, they praise Ghana. How far your life? Hope your life don't change. Hope your life done better now. Hope you don't buy Range Rover. Hope you don't buy car. Hope you don't build house. Hope you don't also build house for village. Hope you do show evidence of that good Ghana way there inside. Hope you are showing that evidence of that good Ghana way there inside. I they see all of una, both Niger boy, both Christ in me, that one nothing to write home about. Niger boy, nothing to write home about. Kofi, nothing to write home about. Manager, nothing. All of them, as I mentioned them, nothing to write home about. I they see una, people where they come see una mates for Nigeria. Where they work hard, where don't build house, where don't buy cars, where don't marry, they live with their family, they take care of their family. Come see on our mates. They better pass all of on where they Ghana. They better pass all of on where they Ghana. Ghana is heaven on earth. Ghana is USA. Wait till you achieve there. Wait till you achieve there. Waiting with Niger boy never renovate him in old since when they build that family house. Person where don't they Ghana for how many years? Waiting be that thing I don't achieve for that Ghana. I won't see him. Every time Nigeria do this, enter Nigeria, your own country, they discredit them. How far as you take Ghana, they don't give you Ghana pass, Ghana citizenship because I'm not saying I'm wasting most of fun at the fine. Make una come Nigeria, make una come see una mate doing well. Come Nigeria, come see your mate, they are doing business. Come to main markets, come to trade fair Lagos, go to Aba. No una see una mate, they are massively doing well. Selling cars, building better houses. Una run go Ghana. I know they against you running go Ghana, but you turning yourself to Ghana bloggers, begin to discredit your own country. If you buy for Ghana, if you die there, they go still carry you come back to that country where they discredit. They not go bury you for Ghana. What do you achieve? I still ask myself, what is that you guys want to gain? They go see you, make the Ghana see you as a good person and see us as a bad people. This Christ in me, hungry guy, will be like stockfish. Since when he enter that Ghana, waiting, nothing to write home about. Nothing to write home about. No achievements. If you say when I enter Ghana now, in 1 year, 2 years, when I don't build house, buy car, build house for village, I go say, hey, this is the evidence of that good Ghana one they talk about. But nothing. Even people where they that country when I live, they better pass all of una. People where they Nigeria better pass all these people where they, all these Ghana bloggers, all these Nigeria where turn themselves to Ghana bloggers. I'm talking about all these Nigeria where turn themselves to Ghana bloggers. People where they Nigeria better pass all of them. What be that when I want to achieve? Ask yourself this question. What be that when you want to achieve? Nigeria is bad, I know. Nigeria is this, I know. But must you discredit your own country to favor to...
Okay, let me help you complete it. Must you discredit your country to favor another country? But the thing is that there's no way you go to other countries and see things moving well, then you will not credit that very country. And the reason why we usually come out, I'm talking about we, the content creators, Nigerian content creators in Ghana, do come out and compare Ghana to Nigeria, is because we are very, very sad that our country is going backward. And look at a country they call common, going, doing the right thing. That's just our problem. We want Nigeria to be better. That's the reason why we always do this comparison. So, bro, if you want the way, you like the way Nigeria is, maybe not because you and your whole family are not in Nigeria. That's the reason why or maybe they are getting the national cake. As you know now, if una they chop the clean mouth, una no go feel the pain like that. If your country, your people, your family are those kind of people that get something from the government, that's why you are feeling right now as if everything they go well in Nigeria. We cannot give Nigeria a bad name now. Which bad name again we want to give Nigeria or Ga? Everybody will not like Nigeria. And who are those people? Who are those people that gave that bad name to Nigeria? If not be Wuna, these Igbo people. I'm not saying there are no people from Hausa or Yoruba land that are doing bad stuff, but majority carry the votes. Yeah, when they are checking, I wanna plenty everywhere. And I wanna like to they beat your chest. When you get small money, you be one become king. I beg, this thing they vex me. Even get mine to carry this your ugly face and put online. If you are a full grown man, I challenge you to remove that filter on your face and put your real face. I beg, fear coach, and get out of here. Now when I not get anything, all you can do is to come out and be saying trash on the internet. You don't know. Who even know? Maybe you've never and traveled to anywhere. Say you don't ever enter bus before. Now they suffer all those things, but yet you don't want to come out and say the truth. I beg. If you don't want us to be saying all of this, may Nigeria change. More wanna change and become better people. There we will shut our mouth. But so long as they commit crime now, so we go they bring out so people will see. Yes, guys, I have come to the end of my video. Please kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section. I love you guys always. Bye bye.